to make your money last longer. It's that day of the month again. It's payday. You're excited to get your hard-earned cash from the bank. As you go home, you think about buying a new shoe, a smartphone, or probably even new designer clothes. Thinking about it makes you thrilled and excited. But as you were just about to start dreaming, reality hits you hard. You remembered needing to pay for essential bills, debts, and rent. You just grow sick and tired of the same old routine. Your money just disappeared in a blink of an eye. Now, do you want this to change? Then this video is for you. This video will share 8 tips to make your money last. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Money in Mind, a fun and friendly channel that will bring you high-quality financial advice for happiness and success. Number 1. Prioritize and know your needs. You're on your way to buy the latest iPhone model. But think about it. Do you really need a new phone? If your current smartphone works perfectly fine, scrapping that idea is better. It's what you call prioritizing and knowing what your needs are. Focus on the things you need instead of the wants. Examples of needs are food, water, and shelter. Talking about needs, let's proceed to number 2. Number 2. Rank your needs and make a decision. Now that you're done identifying your needs, it is time to rank them based on what is the most important to the least important. You are currently on your way to the grocery store. You're about to do your grocery shopping. On your list is to buy food like meat, dairy, bread, and drinks. You also need to purchase detergent and sanitary essentials. But as you enter the store, you see a new top-of-the-line blender at 50% off. Now, if you buy that blender, you won't be able to buy the list of necessities you made. So, think of what is more important first. Is it the list you made or the new blender you just saw? The obvious answer, of course, is the list you made beforehand. Number 3. Budgeting is a must. Before you go to the grocery store, you should have budgeted first. Did you know that the recommended budgeting ratio is 20-50-30? 20% goes towards your savings, 50% towards necessities, and 30% towards discretionary items. So, you should budget that 50% properly. Budgeting will help you prevent overspending and be able to manage your money wisely. And here's a trick. If you are eager to buy something expensive like a new smartphone or designer clothing, look at it carefully first and then come back 7 days later. Now, do you still want to buy it? The urge to buy will probably be gone in a few days, especially if you know that you don't need it. Number 4. Saving will save you. We talked about the budgeting ratio earlier, and according to the budgeting ratio, 20% of your income should go to savings. The reason why saving is important is that you can use it as an emergency fund. It may be an emergency trip to the doctor, or you just want to go on a holiday. Saving will help you acquire a large amount of money in a short time. So, how should you save? It is recommended that you open multiple savings accounts, with each one having a purpose, like savings account for a new car, a holiday, or a new house. Are you guys saving up as well? That's good news. Share your saving tips in the comments section so our viewers can learn from you. Don't forget to subscribe to Money in Mind to get the latest from us. Now let's continue on the next part of our list. Number 5. Invest in growing your money. If you have extra funds, it is good that you start investing. Do you know that the price of McDonald's Big Mac cost $2.5 in the year 2000? Currently, in 2022, the price of a Big Mac now costs $5.81. Just imagine that a Big Mac's price doubled in the given period. This is caused by inflation. Inflation causes the buying power of people to decrease. Therefore, it is the reason why investing is essential. your money devalues yearly. However, prices of goods and services increase. Investing your money will help you keep up with inflation and prevent your money from devaluating. Number 6. Retirement is important. Most people don't realize this, but retirement is vital for everyone. Most people think you could just deal with retirement plans in the future, but that is a bad idea. When you're in your retirement age, working becomes difficult. You will already feel sick and constantly tired. You won't be able to be eager to work as much as before when you were young and healthy. Retirement is important so that you don't have to work while being able to enjoy your last years. The ways you can prepare for your retirement are saving, investing, buying real estate, and pension. Number 7. Quality over quantity. Know your values. You must know that you get value for your money. Most people think that cheap means good value, but that is wrong. When a product or service is more affordable, it also probably means it was made cheaper. You should not expect high-quality products when you buy them at a low price. If you are choosing to buy a new smartphone, there are 2 choices. The first smartphone costs $200 and will probably last for over a year. The second smartphone costs $450 and will probably last 3 to 4 years. What do you think is worth your money? The second smartphone, right? It may be expensive, but it will last longer and give much better value for money. Last on the list is number 8. Plan a way to kill off your debt. Having debt is normal. Not all debt is bad, and at the same time, not all debt is good. Debts like housing loans, car loans, or student loans are not bad at all. But sometimes, these loans are large, and interest balloons when you cannot pay for them on time. The best way to kill debt is to devise a way to pay for them. List the debt you have as well as the interest. Manage your finances, including your monthly expenses alongside your debt. Try to cut down on useless expenses. If you think you cannot pay for your debt, contact your financial consultant or talk with the creditor. Most of the time, the interest rates can be lowered after an agreement. And there you have it, 8 tips that will make your money last longer. What can you say about our list? Comment your thoughts down below, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to Money in Mind. Stay tuned as more content on financial advice is coming very soon. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.